Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel to this blue holiday glam makeup look. Okay, so I'm using the Friendcation palette, one of my all-time favorites from Dose of Colors, guys. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, guys, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have my face makeup done, friends. The products that I use will be in the description box below. So for the blue, guys, I'm going to go back into a old favorite. Don't mind how messy this palette is. My Friendcation palette, Dose of Colors, Desixkaty collection. I dropped it a couple times, so my my blue is kind of loose, and I'm kind of nervous it's gonna fall out eventually. So we're gonna go into the shade Necessary first, guys, just for that lovely crease color. I'm just gonna go into a fluffy blending brush. Here. I'm just gonna put that all over the crease, and I did prime my eyes as well already, guys. So yes. So going into windshield wiper motions. The light hand is going back and forth, guys. I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the support and the love from my previous vlog of my first fight. Really appreciate you guys. I believe I will be fighting again. I'm not too sure when. I was actually supposed to the next fight was supposed to be this weekend, haha, but I'm in Toronto getting my sleeves, so that's definitely a no-go. But yeah, and I was talking to John, and we were like, so our goal next year is to win our next fight. So yeah, so John's probably gonna go into boxing instead of MMA. We'll see how that goes, friends. Okay. Alright guys, once you've got that blend that you want, I'm gonna go into the shade Chiro right here, just to deepen up that crease just a little bit more. And I'm gonna go into a different fluffy brush, and it's a little more narrow, so it's not as fluffy and pa. Okay, going deeper into that crease, guys. Woo! Alright, and then going back into that first brush, guys, I'm just gonna blend out the two colors together with no additional product. Alright guys, next I'm gonna lay down a base on the lid before I place a moment on there. So I've done this look before, and I usually used a black eyeliner as a base, but I couldn't find it. I think I put it away with my Halloween stuff because I used it on John's face for his Joker makeup, but I found a blue pencil eyeliner. I think Carol gave this to me. But yes, so we're gonna try this. I hope this turns out okay. So I'm just gonna put that all over the lid, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay that down, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a brush afterwards. Alright guys, so I just tried to blend it with my finger because I found this eyeliner dries a lot faster than my black one. Okay, so bear with me. So I hope this turns out okay. So I blended it out as best as I could. Think of it like a blue cut crease. Okay, so I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to apply a movement on the lid, slipping out of its pan, guys. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay. Ooh, absolutely love this color, guys. I actually like it with the blue eyeliner base with this. Oh yeah. Okay, focus please. Face. There you go. Yeah, so I definitely liked my black liner a lot more. I found it blended a lot easier, but it's still it's still not too bad, so I'm not mad at it. I'm just gonna take my time blending, guys, so just be right back. Alright guys, so I tried to blend it out as best as I could. I'm gonna add Game Over on the outer corner just to create some more depth in my eye, guys. Sorry, the sun just went away. Alright, so again, I'm just going to take my finger into this shade right here. I don't want to tip it too much in case this one falls out. Oh, I'm so sad, guys. I take my ring finger. Okay, just right there. I'm just gonna apply it on the outer corner of the eye, just lightly dabbing. You kind of see it. I don't want it too much, friends. Just a light dab of that color. I'm gonna take that blending brush again. Ooh, hello. Blend out any harsh edges. Okay. Alright, and then debating whether I should leave it. I'm actually gonna, yeah, I'm gonna apply Just a Kiss on top, guys. I absolutely love, this is one of my favorite shades, period. Okay, it's a beautiful topper. It's also beautiful by itself too. It's just this one right here, guys. Okay, so again, just going to use a clean finger, and I'm just going to dab that shade. Ooh, hello. I'm just gonna dab that shade right on top, guys. Ooh, look how beautiful that is. Ooh. And I find when you mix Just a Kiss and a Moment, you get a little bit of purple in there as well. Just a little bit. And I find it just makes it a little more glamorous, if you will. So, ta-ta. Alright guys, so for the lower lash line, I'm just going to mimic my crease. And I'm going to go into Necessary and Chiro. So, using a more dense brush. All my brushes are really old, guys. I'm pretty sure they were just from drugstore, and my mom gave them to me. And the Morphe brushes, they were part of a set. I don't think they sell it anymore, but there's no numbers on them either, so I apologize, guys. So sorry. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go with Necessary first. Just smoke that out, guys. Okay, then with the same brush, guys, I'm just gonna go into Chiro, that darker brown shade. And then just in that outer portion, guys, I'm gonna add a Moment in there. So it's just so you can connect it to the top here, so it doesn't look so choppy. And just like so, guys. And then lastly, I'm just going to take a smaller brush, and I'm just going to go into the inner corner with Just a Kiss a little bit more. And that color is so nice, guys. Alright guys, so I'm just going to finish up my eyes, my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes and lips off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I did my liner, mascara, and lashes, and I'm just going to go into my lip, friends. So I'm going to try an ombre lip. I'm going to try this, okay? So I'm going into my MAC lip liner in Nightmoth, and I'm just going on the outside of the lip here. Okay, next, guys, I'm gonna go into my MAC lip liner in Spice. I'm just gonna line the rest of my lip. Alright, and then I'm gonna go into my Dose of Colors lipstick in Aftermath. My favorite shades, guys. Alright, so you can kind of see it, guys. I think I need a little more practice on my ombre. Alright, guys, and then I think, alright, guys, so I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna get my hair retoned, and then it'll bring this look all together, okay? So I'll just be right back, guys. Alright guys, and this is the finished makeup look. I also applied finishing spray, don't worry, and I just got my hair retoned by Shirley. It's so nice. I like it a lot. But yes, I love this palette, the colors. It's still a favorite. I know it's an oldie, but it's a goodie, okay? But yes, I think I'll show you my dress now, guys, just because it's in the daylight. I don't know how the lighting's gonna be at the actual party, so one moment. Alright, so here's the dress, guys. It's a nice blue. I didn't think I would get blue, honestly, but I actually really like it. It's so soft. and it's so nice, and it's from Fashion Nova. Link of this dress will be in the description box below, guys. But yes, I really like this. But yes, hopefully I'll get some footage at the party, guys. But we'll see, depending on how dark it is and stuff. Okay, but yes, if I have footage, I'm gonna put it in right now.
So head to the party. Look how dashing he looks in this really cold weather right now.
Alright guys, and that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on other looks you'd like to see. I'm getting the Tati Beauty palette soon, guys. I can't wait to use it and play with it. But yes, and the next time you see me, I'll probably have my new tattoo, so I'm pretty excited about that. But yes, guys, remember, you'll never succeed if you're afraid to try. Bye, guys.